Hope everybody is doing good today and having a blessed evening. I just got through washing up old Blue here, Blue Ash, and I think we're gonna try to hit up this little drive-in car show they have at the end of the month, last Saturday of each end of the month, and it's at a place called the Blue Circle. I was actually told about that. They was gonna have something today or this evening around 5. So this is my first time going to it. Like I said, guys, I've been on a rock all summer. I've been doing social distancing, and I haven't been anywhere. But evidently, there's people out there that, well, you know, they're just going on with the lights, and that's cool. But it is a little bit relaxed here, so that's a good thing. But it looks like it's gonna rain. I hope it holds out till we get there. I just got through washing old Blue Ash, man, and I was on it for almost 2 hours, man. And I tell you what, as soon as I feel a drop of rain, I'm out. I'm out of there. I'm like, you know what I mean? I ain't doing all this work for nothing. Because if it gets, you know, raining and stuff, I'm going to have to wash her again tomorrow. But it's all good. So anyway, guys, hopefully this is going to be a good video. We're going to hopefully see some cool cars. Next week, I'm going to take you guys to Elizabethton. From my understanding, they got a really big car show there. That's actually like 25 minutes up the road. And we're going to check that out as well next week. So come along for the ride with me today. And hopefully we'll get some good footage of some nice vehicles. And I'll turn you guys back on once I get there. Cigar Man, we'll see you guys in about 1 second. Alright, we're about to pull up here to the little car show. I tell you what, old Blue Ash is running really good, man. I haven't really been, had a chance to really drive her anywhere and stuff, but she is really doing very well. I still got my little issue I got to work out as far as it's running too lean. That's the only light that I have as far as my engine light. So we're gonna pull up here and see what the Blue Circle is talking about. So let's see if I can find a parking space here. There's a lot of Mopar cars up there too. I see. Let's see what I'm gonna do here. I don't know if I can get up through there. Well, I mean, I don't know if I can get through there.
You can get through there.
So was you on this side?
See that man standing up there, bald-headed man up there along the road? We'll be along the road.
Okay. How you been?
Fine, how are you?
I just got it done. This is only like my second time driving it.
I was gonna say I hadn't seen this.
I just got it done. I've been working on it.
You got sidetracked tobacco?
Yeah. Oh yeah. I'll talk to you in a minute.
Yeah. Hey, y'all.
I got better than the truck.
Yeah. He was at the car show last week. He saw my red one.
I forgot it.
All right, guys, we just got out here to the car show at the Blue Circle, and everything seemed like it's going to be a nice little car show. It's just a little drive-in, well, I guess a cruise-in, like I always tell people. But anyway, I appreciate you guys hanging out with your boy today. We're going to walk around, see what we can see if there's any nice gems or some beauties in the parking lot over here, and just and meet a couple of people, guys, because I know I got a lot of friends that's here actually that's supposed to be meeting me here. So we're going to walk around for a few hours and stuff. The sun just went down, so it's nice and cool. And if I didn't tell you guys, I'm back with another video. I erased that. So just to let you guys know that I'm back with another video. I tell you what, man, that's getting harder and harder to do every time I turn around like that. I'm getting too old for that. Anyway, I'll get back with you guys here in a minute. Alright, so we made it out here to the car show at the Blue Circle. Car show service. This must be the Mopar line, here. Dude, they got lined up down here, man. Wow. Not sponsored by Mama and Daddy. I like that. So we're gonna take a walk down here and see all these nice cars. How you doing?
So what you posted on?
I'm sorry?
What's you posted on?
Oh, this is my personal YouTube channel and stuff. This is called Classic Chevy CJ the Cigar Man.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. So that came all the way from Oxford.
Some of us did get
Okay, what's the name of the car club?
Ruckus.
Ruckus.
Team
All right.
Ruckus. See on the windshields?
Oh, okay, yeah, yeah.
Team Ruckus. I haven't got my sticker yet, but there you go.
All right, so she just came over and told me that they got a car show. It's called a car club come all the way down from Knoxville. Called Team Ruckus. Got Team Ruckus. That's cool. You can't see nothing through that window. How about SRT? Yeah, baby. Chocolate. Can't see nothing in there. Alright, man. Now, she said this got 1,000 horsepower, guys. 1,000 horsepower. I see 950 right there. Huh. Wow. 1,000 horsepower. Oh, nice though. This is what she got the hinges in her car. Four. Now that's the lady that her husband owns the Iron Man. Yeah, that's pretty neat. That's pretty cool.
Okay, I need to take that
I like it because you ain't got to put nothing on the tire out there. Because really you can't spray nothing on it. Yeah. That's what it says. Ain't not on the tire pressure. I don't know. Yeah. I had to clean them when I got up here. They've been on my car for years. So man, there ain't no way they're dirty. I went to that big car wash out cold. Car wash down there. That's my
This is a 1930. I gotta remember. Hey, looking at the admiring this beautiful vehicle here. I like they got the Bristol Tn, like Bristol. See, that's pretty neat. I've never seen one of those before. Don't make them like this anymore, man.
Fender, body, everything, you know. And he was supposed to try to find me a fender for my truck.
Oh, you got a popper? You got door poppers. Oh yeah. Who installs your poppers for you? Oh, your windows too? Oh man, you too much. You got his blinkers on there. That's cool. Let's see here. Good.
That's what I figured out now. You know, you see these billet steering wheels that you like and stuff. I think
Yeah.
you don't have to have the damn adapter, nothing. You run the brand adapter, which you buy at Advanced or AutoZone.
Yeah.
And go down and look at it a minute.
It's almost the same type of.
Well, they got one about like yours.
Like that. Is yours a 15-inch?
Yeah.
Yeah.
These beams.
So there's that air compressor.
These,
Right. Yeah. Oh
You
yeah.
got to buy. You ain't got to buy all the adapters.
Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah. You don't have to do that.
Everything's still original in there. Yeah, it is. See here, you get some sun. All right, guys. So we've been walking around. Nice little cars. People are still coming. So this car show started from 5, and I think it's up to 9. But people are still coming in. So I'm gonna try to get more footage and stuff. But I appreciate you guys hanging along for a ride with me and stuff. So we're gonna do. right, guys. So far, I'm having fun, guys. Everybody's looking at the vehicles and stuff, and looking at my builds and stuff. So, hey, I'm gonna let you guys go. I may turn you guys back on, but I appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. And like I always tell people, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. All right, guys. So we're about to head up out of here. It's crazy, man. I actually got best in show out of all these vehicles, and I wasn't even gonna register. That's wild. So, how's it going,
What are
buddy?
you doing, Bubba?
No, hanging out, man.
Hey, about time for you bringing this thing out.
No, this thing, I just got it done.
Well, it didn't matter. It's brought down anyway.